Deschutes County Sheriff's Office is being sued for the wrongful death of a 22-year-old Kendra Sawyer. Kendra committed suicide in her cell while withdrawing from fentanyl. Matthew Draxton spoke with the sheriff's office and the woman's father about the lawsuit.
It shows that through action and inaction, her 14th Amendment was violated, and she suffered some cruel incidences while in there.
This is Kent Sawyer, Kendra's dad. In a lawsuit, he's accusing the sheriff's office of being negligent and purposefully ignoring Kendra's medical condition while in the jail. The lawsuit claims jail staff knew and ignored that Kendra was suicidal and suffering from mental health issues. It adds that she was in need of medical care while having intense withdrawals from fentanyl.
She should have been treated in more of a medical setting.
After missing her meeting with a parole officer, Kendra was booked with the county jail on February 12, 2023. Kendra reportedly told jail staff that she would withdraw from fentanyl. Jail staff were also given medical records that showed a history of suicide attempts by Kendra. The following day, according to the lawsuit, she started withdrawing.
I like to say that pain at that time, that moment, must have been so bad that death was the only way out, because life at that moment was just so painful physically and emotionally.
The lawsuit claims on February 13th at 7:04 a.m., jail staff conducted a detox check and evaluated Kendra's declining state. At 9:15 a.m., Kendra's mother found fentanyl pills at their home that she believed belonged to Kendra. She gave them to jail staff and suggested Kendra was likely withdrawing. At 2:26 p.m., Kendra told her dad nurses were refusing to give her medication for the withdrawals.
I was hoping that policies could be put in place to where people that are addicted to drugs can get some medications, and I've learned that they're called like Suboxone, just something to lessen the impact of how the physical body is responding to the withdrawals.
At 3:34 p.m. that same day, Kendra told her parents in a phone call that she needed to find a reason to live. 5 hours later, Kendra told jail staff she was struggling from withdrawals and her 23-hour confinement. 40 minutes later, at 8:30 p.m., Kendra was found having attempted suicide. She was taken to the hospital and put on life support. 6 days later, on February 19, 2023, Kendra Sawyer passed away at 22 years old.
My life is completely devastated, and she was a delicate butterfly in my mind.
When asked for a comment, a lawyer for Deschutes County vigorously denied the accusation, saying that they intended to defend the lawsuit. He added that the Deschutes County Adult Jail had policies to address medical issues and mental illness. In 2023, News Channel 21 reported that the jail had started a new program that used medications to help inmates deal with withdrawal symptoms. While speaking on the program in 2023, Corrections Division Commander Captain Schultz said it starts with medication and getting inmates stabilized. Despite starting the program before Kendra's death, the lawsuit claims the jail had inadequate policies to prevent suicide and failed to regularly check up on Kendra and assess her mental state. As Kent learns to live with his daughter's death, he's committed to bringing more awareness to addiction and mental health policies in jails.
That is now my goal, is to end the unnecessary deaths and the cruelness of how the people are treated.
It's unfortunately not the first suicide attempt at Deschutes County Adult Jail. Suicide attempts have more than doubled in recent years, from 6 in 2021 to 13 in 2023. Matthew Draxton, News Channel 21.